Chapter 10, Profit and Loss. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to calculate profit and loss, find out the cost price and selling price of a product, warm up. Your father has a shop and he bought 1 kg of apples for 100 rupees and he sold them in a hurry for 80 rupees. Did he get any benefit or did he bear a loss? Teacher's note: introduce the concept of profit and loss. Elucidate the students that the amount gained by selling a product for more than its cost price is profit, and the amount the seller incurs after selling the product less than its cost price is mentioned as a loss. The terms profit or gain and loss are used by businessmen. The price at which businessmen buy certain goods is called the cost price, CP. The price at which businessman sells certain goods is called the selling price, SP. If SP is greater than CP, then there is a profit or gain. Profit is equals to SP minus CP. If CP is greater than SP, then there is a loss. Loss is equals to CP minus SP. Sometimes when a businessman buys a certain goods, then he has to pay transportation cost, labor charges, salaries, etc. These charges are known as overhead expenses. These overhead expenses are always added to the CP to get total CP. Total CP is equals to CP plus overhead expenses. Also, profit percent is equals to profit upon CP into 100. Loss percent is equals to loss upon CP into 100. Solved examples. Example 1. Mr. Ashok bought a washing machine for rupees 6,550. He sold it for rupees 8,000. Find his profit or loss percent. Solution: CP is equals to rupees 6,550, SP is equals to rupees 8,000. Since SP is greater than CP, Mr. Ashok makes a profit. Profit is equals to SP minus CP. Rupees 8,000 minus rupees 6,550 is equals to rupees 1,450. Profit is equals to profit upon CP into 100. 1,450 upon 6,550 into 100 is equals to rupees 22.14%. Example 2. Mr. Raj bought a tablet for rupees 15,000 and sold it for rupees 19,500. Find his profit or loss percent. Solution: CP is equals to rupees 15,000, SP is equals to rupees 19,500. Since SP is greater than CP, Mr. Raj makes a profit. Profit is equals to SP minus CP. Rupees 19,500 minus 15,000 rupees is equals to rupees 4,500. Profit is equals to profit upon CP into 100 is equals to 4,500 upon 15,000 into 100 is equals to rupees 30%. Facts to know: profit percent and loss percent are always calculated on the cost price. Example 3. Mr. Gaurav bought a dinner set rupees 1,550. He sold them for rupees 1,220. Find his profit or loss percent. Solution: CP rupees 1,550, SP is equals to rupees 1,220. Since SP is less than CP, Mr. Gaurav suffered a loss. Loss is equals to CP minus SP. 1,550 minus 1,220 is equals to rupees 330. Loss percent is equals to loss upon CP into 100. 330 upon 1,550 into 100, 21.29%. Example 4. Manish bought a calculator for rupees 450. As it was not working properly, he had to sell it for rupees 300. Find his loss or gain profit. Find his loss or gain percent. Solution: CP is equals to rupees 450, SP is equals to rupees 300. Since SP is less than CP, Manish suffer a loss. Loss is equals to CP minus SP. Rupees 450 minus rupees 300 is equals to rupees 150. Loss percent is equals to loss upon CP into 100 is equals to 150 upon 450 into 100 is equals to 33.33%. Example 5. Rapaki bought a chain for rupees 210. She wants to sell it a profit of rupees 50. What should be the selling price of a chain? Solution: CP equals to rupees 210. Profit rupees 50. SP is equals to CP plus profit. Rupees 210 plus 50 is equals to rupees 260. Selling price of 10 should be rupees 260. Example 6. Kalpi bought a toy rupees 510 at a loss of rupees 80. What is the selling price of toy? Solution. CP equals to rupees 510. Loss equals to rupees 80. SP is equals to CP minus loss. Rupees 510 minus 80 is equals to rupees 430. Selling price of toy is rupees 430. Example 5. Raghav sold a microwave for rupees 6200 at a profit of rupees 300. Find the cost price of microwave. Solution. SP equals to rupees 6200. Profit rupees 300. CP is equals to SP minus profit is equals to 6200 minus 300 is equals to rupees 5900. Cost price of microwave is equals to rupees 5900. Example 8. Mr. Verma sold a mobile phone rupees 5600 at a loss of rupees 1500. Find the cost price of mobile phone. Solution. SP equals to rupees 5600. Loss rupees 1500. CP SP plus loss. Rupees 5600 plus rupees 1500 is equals to rupees 7100. Cost price of mobile phone is rupees 7100. Exercise 10.1. Question 1. Find the profit or loss percent for the following. A. CP rupees 6000, SP rupees 7080. Answer 18% profit. B. CP is equals to rupees 8000, SP equals to rupees 6000. Answer 25% loss. C. CP equals to rupees 550, SP equals to rupees 1020. Answer 85.45% profit. D. CP is equals to rupees 9950, SP equals to rupees 10,000. Answer 0.5% profit. E. CP equals to rupees 1250, SP equals to rupees 1000. Answer 20% loss. F. CP equals to rupees 15,000, SP equals to rupees 6,600. Answer 56% loss. G. CP equals to rupees 14,000, SP equals to rupees 18,250. Answer 30.36% profit. H. CP equals to rupees 3,400, SP equals to rupees 1,700. Answer 50% loss. I. CP equals to 15,500, SP equals to rupees 20,000. Answer 29.03% loss. J. CP equals to rupees 24,000, SP equals to rupees 48,000. Answer 100% profit. Quick tip: if CP equals to SP, then it is neither gain or loss. Question 2. Sona bought a TV set for rupees 15,550. She sold it for 18,000 rupees. Find her gain or loss percent. Answer 15.76% profit. Question 3. Tushar sold an inverter for rupees 15,540 and makes a profit of rupees 1,250. Find the CP of an inverter. Answer 14,290. Question 4. Find the selling price if the CP equals to rupees 3,800 and loss rupees 800. Answer 3,000. Question 5. Find the selling price if the CP equals to rupees 4,020 and profit rupees 500. Answer 4,700. Question 6. Mr. Umang bought a cyber shot for rupees 5,800. He sold it for rupees 7,000. Find his gain or loss percent. Answer 20.69% profit. Question 7. Aman bought notebooks for rupees 1,500. He sold them for rupees 1,270. Find his gain or loss percent. Answer 15.33% loss. Question 8. Agriya sold a laptop for rupees 24,900 at a profit of rupees 800. Find the price at which she bought it. Answer 24,100. Question 9. Shaurya has a video game worth rupees 1,800. He wants to sell it at a profit of rupees 300. But should be the selling price of video game? Answer 2,100. Question 10. Astha bought a dress worth rupees 850 at a loss of rupees 150. Find the selling price of the dress. Answer 700. Question 11. If a table lamp was sold for rupees 980 at a loss of rupees 80, then find the cost price of a table lamp. Answer 900. Question 12. Find the selling price if the cost price is 1200 and the loss percent is 25. Answer 900. Formula 1. Profit equals to SP minus CP. 2. Profit percent is equals to profit upon CP into 100. 3. Loss equals to CP minus SP. 4. Loss percent equals to loss upon CP into 100. 5. SP equals to CP plus profit. 6. SP equals to CP minus loss. 7. CP equals to SP minus profit. 8. CP equals to SP minus loss. Think wisely. Saurabh has a lovely set of stamps worth rupees 120, which he sold to Rishabh for rupees 130. After a while, he changed his mind and decided that he wanted his stamp back. Rishabh now insisted on being paid rupees 150 for it. Later, Saurabh sold the set to Anurag for rupees 160. How much did Saurabh make or loss finally? Or was there no loss or gain? Answer: loss rupees 10. Mental math. Fill in the blanks. 1. If the selling price is more than the cost price, there is a profit. 2. If CP is rupees 7,865 and the loss is rupees 459, then SP is 7,406. 3. If SP is rupees 5,790 and the loss is rupees 3,998, then CP is 6,188. 4. Cost price equals to selling price minus profit. Maths lab activity. Materials required: school bag, lunch box, water bottle, geometry box, etc. Steps 1. Divide the class into 2 teams. One team takes out object and set prices to them. 2. The teacher gives the selling price. 3. The other team finds out the loss or profit and scores a point with each correct cost price to their object. The second team picks up a slip from a box in which the teacher had put slips marked with profit or loss. Example: profit 7 rupees, 5 rupees, 2 rupees. Loss 7 rupees, 2.50 rupees, rupees 5. The second team has to find the selling price of the objects being sold by the first team. This game can be played in the same way for finding the cost price.